Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam alaikum.
Yeah, what do we say to the ones that say, Salafia, or the ones that ascribe to the name Salafia or Taifatul Mansur, yani Ahlus Sunnah wa Jamal, yani, what do we say to the ones that say that this is Bidah also because the Sahabas never call themselves names, or the Salaf never call themselves names?
You give them this lecture. This is just the whole lecture is all about. It's everything there, what I've just given to the lecture, the signs of the Ahlul Sunnah, the signs of Ahlul Bid'ah. So I just talked about it. I don't know if you were there or not.
Like the name, like they said, okay.
I talked about it. I said that Salaf means Salaf. I said I talked about it. I said if I make takfir upon Ikhwan and upon Tahrir, I can't say I'm kafir in the Salafiyah. The word Salaf means predecessors, mentioned in the Quran, mentioned in the Sunnah. Okay, and well, the word in the Quran, Salaf, mentioned in the Quran, but it's not meaning the Salaf that we want, illa ma qad Salaf. But in the Sunnah, wa ni'ma Salaf wa ana laki. Salaf means predecessors. Salaf means what the Prophet of Allah, he said, Khayrun nas qarni thumma alladhina, best of the people, my nation, or my generation, and the generation that comes after. He mentioned 4 generations in the hadith. And if you want more exploration onto that, please go ahead and join our classes, which you have done before, Usul al-Sunnah, which I'm the moment in the 2nd class. I will be exploring a lot about this. But you see, the people look at either the situation with a justice or injustice. If it's injustice, there's no point for me to go and deal with these people, because they have locked up their mind about some ideologies. I can't really argue with them. But the one with justice, I understand, for example, for them, maybe the Salafi is not different from the Ikhwanis, from the Tahriris, because each one is calling himself a name. But we say, you see, that Salafiyya did not change. Salafi did not say, we have been established in such and such, our Shaykh al-Albani. No, it is not. Our Shaykh is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. We go to the companion, to the Salaf. But you as Ikhwan, you have been 1923 when you have been established. That is Hassan al-Banna established you, and as well Hizb al-Tahrir been established by al-Nabahani, Taqidi Nabahani, subhanallah, al-Nabahani, himself, I can't forgot his name, subhanallah, the founder of the Hizb al-Tahrir. So they got a name, a person who founded a time, okay, where they were set, where the Salafi, well, there's no time for it. It's all of it, the scholars, La Tazalu Ta'ifah. I mentioned that, all of that. But for those people that look, I give them an example of a white sheet. Okay. So let's have a white sheet here to explain what we're talking about. Okay. So if I look at this white sheet here, this is Islam in its whiteness and purity. Okay. Jama'ah, Ikhwan, made here a circle and color, and another one made a circle here, or a sect here, and made green Sufis. Another one made Tahrir, whatever, and they made here another one, colors. For a person who is not really knowing, looks at this page and he finds colors, but there is white spots there. He thinks the spot of the white is a color. It's not a color. This is the original Islam. It's not a color. This one did not adopt anything. Just Quran and Sunnah and the understanding of the Salaf. They did not adopt anything. They rotate with the Quran, rotate with the Sunnah. But for you as a person, you think white is a color, but it's not. This is the purity of the deen. And as I said, if you want further details to that person, just give us our lecture. And also, this lecture is coming up, inshallah, in Usul al-Sunnah al-Imam Ahmad. Fadal, na'am.